Hello, this is just a quick update on what I've been working on. You may have noticed this sword fell over. That's because I added the ability to the placeholder for items to spawn the items with their physics briefly on so they can fall into a more natural position if that's what you want. But that's not the main thing. I've got my stats, I've got an empty inventory, but now I can do this. And load an old save. You see it loaded some old stats, it changed my inventory. Go over to here, load a different save. And this turned out to be a little trickier than I expected, because as it turns out, when you load a scene, even if you load it synchronously, not asynchronously, but synchronously, which is what I did, everything isn't done in that frame even when it returns from loading the scene. So I actually have to use coroutines to stage the loading, some of the later parts of loading over the next couple of scenes. Otherwise these things don't appear, or my inventory isn't right, or I don't have my hotbar. But I did manage to save those things. And where was it? Yep, another set of stats because I've loaded this different character. Now, so far it does not load and save the weather, though that shouldn't be too hard. Now that I have a save system set up, I should be able to quickly add things like saving the weather and add to the save file things I haven't made yet, like the NPCs, because right now all NPCs do is stand there. So I can go, I can load, I can pick things up, run through here. Here we are in a version of this that has not been visited before, but I can split. I can drop, throw, maybe throw some of these a different way. Then go to my save. I can create a new save. By default, it'll be the character's name and the real world time. And then if you want to, you can put in something else like whatever you want to call it, if that's not what you want. Now I can select it, save the game. I can load back over here. And then I can load the new save. And everything's just where I left it. And if I don't like the save, I can, of course, go up here. Delete the save. I should probably add a pop-up to warn you just in case you misclick, but for now that's what you do. And really, ultimately, I want to, instead of just this popping up, I want to have a more complete menu that you can get to the save and load, but also exit the game and so on. But that's for the future, and this has been one of the trickier parts so far, making this system. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and have a great one.